I want to have the ability to just heat certain areas of the house. Now, I know they probably sell systems like this, but since I'm studying engineering and I'm a DIY guy, I want to build it myself. What I want to do is put a thermostat in the bedroom, right? I'm always home alone, right? I have a whole house. I'm heating a basement, an upstairs, a main level, and I'm in the bedroom. So I want to put a thermostat in the bedroom and put some motorized doors inside some of the ducts so that I can hit a switch, close some of the ducts, and only heat my bedroom and control the heat from the bedroom. So I'm heating a way smaller area and it's efficient. It just makes sense. So I'm just getting started. Looking through the basement, I found this fake fireplace space heater. And it's perfect because it has a motor, right? There's something rotating inside of this heater. There's a motor. So I can use that motor to experiment. Here's what I'm talking about. This is my heating unit. And you see I have ducts, spreading throughout the house. But this duct right here goes up to my bedroom. So what I want to do is put doors in here. And these ducts already have doors. So all I'm really doing is adding a motor to them, and I'll make them tight so that air doesn't, get around the top and bottom. So this screw right here is actually one of the existing. All right, here you go. So these ducts already have doors. So the circuit I found includes a power source, a double pole, double throw switch, and a motor, and then the two limit switches. Okay, and we start here, and the circuit would take this path into here, causing the motor to drive in this direction, right? Comes here. This switch is open, so it takes this path. This switch is closed, comes down here, and finishes up like that. So when it takes this route, I'd have a thermostat wired here, right? So whenever it's taking this path, let's say thermostat A is controlling the HVAC, and the door is open, right? Here's a switch. Pretend this is a duct, and that door rotated 90 degrees to be open, right? With the motor going like that. All right, simple. So when you throw the switch the other way, right, the current takes this path, right? Now notice this limit switch is closed now, right? It takes this path, it goes around, and it should cause the motor to run in this direction, right? The opposite direction. Remember, here, let's see, counterclockwise, clockwise. So it's taking this path through the motor, and boom, and that's the circuit. And that switch is open, so it won't go here. So it's real simple. I took a circuits course last semester, so this is simple. I just hope it all goes according to plan. But like I said, the most difficult part will be machining the mechanism to get that door inside the duct in a real nice way, without guessing, really like taking measurements and machining all of the mechanisms with a really high level of accuracy, making it beautiful, So that's what I'm up to. I'm gonna pull the motor out of that little fake fireplace, and I'm gonna see if I could find some limit switches around the house, or run somewhere, run to the thrift store and grab some, or be patient and wait a day with Amazon, right? I took the leads I took the motor leads and reversed them, but it didn't work. This thing is still turning the same direction. Let's do it again. Take it out. Spin it back around. Right, so it's spinning toward me, right? And pull it out, spin it. It's still spinning toward me. So that didn't work. Since that didn't work, I went ahead and ordered some stuff from Amazon. So I wound up waiting a day anyway. But it's all good because now I have all of the stuff I really need except for some wire, which I'm going to pick up now from Home Depot. So here's everything I need to get started. A plan, electrical tape, a power cord, limit switches, wire, a DC motor, a bracket, power supply, and a switch. So here's how far I got with the mock-up. I hooked up the power supply, a double pole, double throw switch, a motor, a fake door, and 2 limit switches. Okay, now to better illustrate, here's a piece of ductwork. Okay, inside of this there would be a door, which this simulates, and the door would open and close like usual, right? So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to situate this mechanism on the side of the duct. Okay, but imagine this is the open position. Air would flow through all of the ducts. Okay, it would heat the entire house, and the thermostat downstairs would be in operation. But once you throw this switch, okay, that door inside of the duct will close, only allowing air to go to the bedroom, which is where I want it. Okay, in the bedroom there'd be an additional thermostat, so while one thermostat is engaged, the other one is disengaged. So I just need to run the circuits. I need to tie the circuits for those into this and figure out how I would fit this mechanism into the duct, and that's that. So I feel good about it. It works. Everything needs to be tightened, but I think it's a cool run through. And as I move along, I'll keep you posted.